YouTube, how you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. I do apologise if you're not going to be able to hear me. It's very windy here. We're staying in Ambleside for the next few days, and while we're here I thought why not come to the famous Kirkstone Pass, which is a very famous road here in the UK, known for its fantastic views as you can see behind me. But not only that, foggy, very sharp turns. I do apologise again for the audio, it's going to be very terrible and very windy. But yeah, I thought while we're here, why not attach a couple of GoPros and go for a bit of a drive. So, hope you guys enjoy. It's a little less windier down here. We've just come from all the way up there and we're heading down the hill now, and as you could probably tell by the dash cam footage, I'm not in my car today. I'm driving my fiance's car because my car is broken down once again, which is always great, but it doesn't matter what car you're in, just as long as you can really appreciate the road. And it is absolutely fantastic, the views, the actual turns, you know, it's a very sharp road, I'm not gonna lie, but also at the same time it's a very, very fun road, and that's why it's so fun to drive. So it doesn't really matter what car you're driving as long as you're out having fun, and that view is absolutely stunning, and so is the view of the hills behind. So really glad I did this.